today I'm going to introduce you a book called What Was Pompeii? Well, I think it should be a where was though. So Pompeii is a city that got burned down from ash and fire and lava from it's a very hard name, but a volcano, a big volcano. The smoke shot about 3 miles high, which is a lot. And somebody witnessed the fact that, well, the volcano exploded. The boy was called Pliny the Younger. His uncle was known as Pliny the Elder, and the guy that witnessed it is Pliny the Younger. Please remember the fact. And it was terrible. The ash and lava killed a lot of people, and people that was in their houses, they didn't even have a chance to survive. And if I lived in the time in Pompeii, I think I've been too sad and startled, and I think it was pretty sad for people even my age would have died in a hot fire, lava. Well, people say that burning to death is the most painful way to die. So I think pretty bad for the people that lived in Pompeii. And if one thing for certain, all the ash covered Pompeii too much that nobody actually knew it existed a few years later. That's a pretty cool fact. And I want you to see a map of Pompeii. So there's a map of Pompeii here. This is it. It's Pompeii. People say that, well, lots of people sold things, and over here, look. The map is pretty small, but I hope you can see it well. There are trading areas and everything. But I think Pompeii was a bit mean about this. The slavery was a lot there, and if you're not rich, living in Pompeii is very difficult. Poor people lived in just small rooms that have only 2 rooms, one for shop and other very crowded space for your whole family to live in. People have feasts and everything in rich houses, and people ate with hands there. So the book says that you have to wash your hands very lot over there. I think that's very interesting, and well, it has a little bit about Pompeii and how the eruption did to it. But I think the main thing is that people dug under the ash and everything to actually find the city, to find the ancient ruins and things. There were 3 leaders in the book that actually did these inspections, and they found a lot of things, but it took years to find out the city was actually called Pompeii. I think that was quite good, and I wish you enjoy it as much as I did. At first, when I looked at the cover, I had no idea how to read it, but actually when I put off the cover and started reading, it was quite fun, and the insides are much more fun than the outsides. Please remember that part. And if you like history, you should definitely read the What Was series. It has history and what happened and something about everything. even if you don't know anything about the things, when you read the book, you get much more knowledge than you didn't read it. I think that is very good, and I wish you enjoy it. It isn't a story, it doesn't have a storyline, but it is very, very fun. I hope you read it, and I hope you enjoy this video. Goodbye!